base of the lash, wiggle it a little bit maybe. And look, I also realized I hit my nose right there. That would be bad. And then I'm also going to wiggle it, definitely wiggle it on the lower lash. Wiggle, wiggle down. Wiggle down, down, wiggle, wiggle down. Wiggle down, down, and using the tip to go back through. Kind of pulling down. And that is all I'm going to do. I'm not going to do a second coat, and honestly, I'm going to throw this mascara away. It's kind of dried out, and I feel like that may be old. So just one coat, and we're going to get rid of it. And also, I don't like the brush at all. It's too big, it's too thick, and that makes it hard to use. I'm going to try to get this off. And I'll need to blend that down a little bit. Yeah. I had a good time. How about y'all? Oh. We had a couple little fallouts of mascara. That's always tricky. You can use your finger like I am, but if you see that you're taking your makeup off with it, the best thing to use, as y'all know, yeah, let me just use one, is one of my little dual tip cotton applicators. This is from Walgreens, and I just keep this on my dressing table because you will use 1,000 of these. Never stick these in your ears. These are not earbuds or Q-tips, whatever you want to call them, because they're sharp, they're hard, they're not soft at all. And that's pointed. And that may look like it, but when you turn it sideways, look how it's wide, it's very thin. So that is the best thing to use. Dry for getting off. Look how it took it right off. But once you use it, you can't use it again, meaning you can't keep using that same edge. So it's kind of hard. Like I have to roll it and go to the next end, roll it. But otherwise, you put it right back on. Okay. There's another one. Wow, this mascara was older, I think. I don't want to criticize the mascara because I think the reason it looks so dried out is probably because it was dried out. It was just old. So I'm throwing that away. But there's my end look. I guess I need to put on a little bit of, put back on some lipstick. We're going to use a bright red. Because I'm wearing black and cheetah, and nothing looks better with cheetah than red. Black and red. And always look good together. But especially if you have cheetah print. Or any animal print, really. See how pretty that looks with the cheetah? That is almost orange. What is this color? It's strawberry red, number 54 from Chanel. This is such a great red. Sometimes it has more of a tomato color. And sometimes it has more of a red color. More like a... It's not a blue toned red. You can tell that. But yeah, I love this. And then let it dry for a second. And then add the gloss. And the gloss sets it. It moisturizes because obviously the lipstick is going to be dry if it's an all-day product. And it has a glossy look now. She's young looking because I'm young. Okay, y'all, that is my finished look. This palette is one of my all-time favorite palettes. I would highly recommend you getting it. It's just got so many looks locked up in it because of these great colors. Next time, maybe what I'll do is use this color Humble, which is more of a peachy pink. Chic, which is a deep mauve plum. And then if I'm going to use a shimmer, I might use this color over here. And the transition color, I don't know. I don't know what I would use for the transition color. I may do that all over and that on the lid blending up into. Maybe that's what I'll do on my next look with this palette. And I do enjoy this palette, so maybe I'll keep this one out for a couple of days. And I do feel like that whenever we do these kind of get ready with me's, there's just something kind of relaxing about them. And so I think it was just time to do that. Because I hadn't done one in a while because I'm not really getting ready that much. But anyway, so I hope you like this video and I hope you would enjoy this palette. Again, if you want to get this palette, it can be purchased at personacosmetics.co. It says CO. That should be .com. It's out in LA. I think that might be a typo. Try it. And it's called the Identity Palette. And there's several of them, but I like this one. that's for the palette for brown eyes, the Identity palette. And also you can tell because there's a little girl walking through the streets of Paris, and I just love that. I love Paris. Anyway, so that is all, and I will see you guys again soon.